What's up, YouTube? It's your boy C-Man3D1 here with a bike check. Before we get started, I'm gonna let y'all hear into the hub sound. Ready? Pretty loud. So now, let's get started on the bike check. Alright, here we go. Well, start with the top. My bars, 2012. This is the new 2012 Fit BF1. In white, as you can tell. Got the stock stem. I just got this bike yesterday, so basically everything's stock. The Fit Bike Co. grips. And back here, we're riding on a 2.1 back wheel and a stock Fit rim. Up here we got the 2.25 stock rim. The seat, Fit Bike Co seat. Cranks, Fit cranks. Fit plastic pedals. Fit I don't help but Fit Bike Co. sprocket brakes. Oh yep, this is the new 2012 Fit BF1. Thanks for watching.